Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
MP Garaja Sabha Dr. WR Kharlukhi. Hanigasingi ulapan kanmau shakino hikai bat ki samla pule biat ha PGT bagajing Skhim shakijaka pule ki kinho nikiru shimat kamdei ki Jinglehbha Jong ki kum ki Nongmihkhmat. Hynrei ketika Kamram ke bakum ki Nongmihkhmat ki bela jiat upat ba ki di banle. Dr. Kharlukhi ulakran negani hanigasingi haba play ke kamra kelas Jong ke PGT kaba ulamang pisa na ka members of parliament local area development scheme araja arpusan Dr. Kharlukhi ula ajingero eknika college kaba hikai kino hikai ki bansa hikai ki khna school haki school ba pher Jong gajila ula ongru bakalong kablan kambha bagi jaka puli kindani ki kamra class ki babha bat ki babyang ula kinturu ikinong pet jokani ka college menekran bat menteri rang ba gajila ban mang pisalam na kumenta kani ka jaka puli knang ba kina ban penbyang ya gajinon kam jongki hakani singi la yoru e gajingkran na uba WL lingdo president ka governing body baledon langru da ka doctor bahun lang tron principal Jong college ki doctor Jong governing body kino hikai ki samla pule bat ki brasha khot ngobha.
This is a college where the students are student teachers and there are teachers. I call it a specialized department or specialized educational field for teaching career. And if we, as you all know, new education policy 2020 stress on a more holistic and multidisciplinary education. Our teachers in education is creating a pool of trained teachers. Our college is like a pool of trained teachers where we can shape the next generation. In the journey to college during the 61 years, we have been able to produce, according to my calculation, about 7,000 B.Ed graduates. That is, I'm not mistaken, it will not be less than 7,000. This is about our college. So, we have been able to produce so many graduates, and many of them are teachers. We are in secondary schools, colleges, universities, in the state and outside the state. I have one feeling that many people are without job. What do you agree? Especially student teachers, do you agree that there are many jobs without skilled workers? Just recently, there are many jobs without medical specialists. There are many jobs without trained teachers. So keep in mind that. Don't say we are jobless. There are many jobs, but there are no work, there are no workers. So I insist upon you all, don't think about job without job. When you come out from your this college, many of these old teachers will go away, retire and all that. But you are the one to fill.
The college nurtures its students where experience, exposure and opportunities. This is very important, especially in a life of a competitive life that we are facing today. Well, my dear friends, what we need is, we need to be determined. Determination is very important. And, a practical approach to life. I always like to mention, since I'm a student of history, about the saying of the great French Emperor Napoleon, who said that impossible is found only in the dictionary of fools. Everything is possible. He started his career, he's not a Frenchman, he's from Corsica. He started his career as a lieutenant governor, as a lieutenant in the army, and ultimately became the emperor of France. And my dear students, what we need is a positive approach in life. There are people, I'll just cite an example. Everybody in India is talking of the Ambani's empire. The founder of the Ambani's empire is Hynrei Ambani, the father of Mukesh and the other son, Anil. Well, he is a refugee. He came from India. He came to India as a refugee from Pakistan, from Sindh. He landed in Mumbai with 25 rupees, and he built such an empire. And well, here also in Skhim, when we don't look at the bad point only, we look at the right, sometimes with the right points that a person has. Everybody knows about the Hart family. Nobody goes and do a research how they start. The elder brother, he was a truck driver. And they built, as we may see, everybody is talking about the empire they are building here today. So these are the things that nothing is not achievable. You could achieve it. You dream, and don't make it only a wishful dream. Make it a reality, and it will become true. So this is my message, especially to the student today. Like, don't be negative, always be positive. Don't have the mindset that after I pass, what will I do? There is no job, like what the president of the governing body is saying. There are ample opportunities, but the only thing is, you set your mind right, with positive and determination, you'll surely achieve it. Well, I let everybody address of me giving this room a generosity. No, it's not a generosity. It is a duty. Don't ever make us politicians proud that we are generous. No, it is our duty. I am today the member of parliament because of people of Meghalaya. Had it not been for you people who elected my party to power, I would not have been. So it's not generosity. It is our duty. And we are duty bound to do it. So whenever a politician comes, please remember, don't say it's generosity. It is their duty to do it. Well, I'm lucky that the president, my Mrs. Uncle, if I cross the whole state is very difficult. So he's there every week coming, reminding me that PGT, you should do something to PGT. And that's why that 10 lakhs comes. So you should be grateful to him. Well, donor, yes, I happen to be a member of the consultative committee, but it's a long process. So well, I've just spoken with the president of the governing body while going there to open that building. I'm telling him, yes, you can try to NEC. I found that there's MP from Nagaland. She's quite powerful in the center, so you can try to NEC, then you can talk to her. And luckily, she's not a student from here, she's a student from UCC actually. She passed from UCC. So I see she's quite influential when it comes to NEC. So you can try to NEC, then we can somehow, I've tried to talk to her because like in the consultative committee of donor, we don't discuss this. We don't discuss our schemes coming from states and all this. So I'll just give you that idea. I will try. I will not say that I will be able to do it. I'll try. When we regard to CM fund, I think this also we have to do it on your own because I have asked so much from him. So whenever I ask a great doctor, you're asking only for yourself. So I think you should try it from yourself. You have a local MBA from here or any close to you. You can talk because the CM fund is around 75.